Hi, let's talk about the law of assumption. This is why I'm giving a Silva UltraMind training in September. It's 2 days at the end of September. You can go on my website, rebeccatripp.com, to find out more information on that. But people need tools in order to activate consciously things like the law of assumption. The law of assumption is a lot like the law of attraction, but it's a little more fine-tuned in that you become, in your consciousness, your mental state, very specifically, you step into that state of consciousness where you are living the embodiment of the wish fulfilled. You become it. And once you become it, not thinking about it as something happening in the future, when you are living it in the moment, that's when you're a good manifestor. And that's when it shows up in your experience. And it can show up, maybe not at exactly the time that you're meditating on it, but at the right time. There's always a right time for everything. But when you know how to use your consciousness in a way that you can consciously activate your imagination to focus on what you desire, and that's all part of the Silva training, you become a master manifestor. You're not living by default anymore. You've learned how to master your mind in a way that you can go to sleep at night thinking of the things you desire and going into that state of consciousness, visualizing it as if you've already gotten it. And when you wake up in the morning, it's another good time to feel like you've gotten something that you're working on. And when you do that consistently, and you know how to do it, and you know why it works, it becomes a habit that changes your life for the better. You become a conscious being. You become awake,